guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a very chill video. I'm in my bedroom. I am here with Kobe and I thought I would just sit down and film this Q&A. I asked you on my Instagram to ask me anything you wanted. I've already done like a get to know me, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link that below. If I answer your question, please leave your response. I would love to know what your answers are and that way I can get to know you. I got some really fun questions that I want to get into, so why don't we get started? How did you learn to cook? I actually learned how to cook from my mom. She would kind of force me, you know how Indian parents are. She would kind of tell me to do rotli or parota, try making some shaks and sabjis, so I would become more familiar with my spices. That's how I got introduced to cooking. I learned more from my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, my bhabhi, me, and like the internet as well. I was just exploring a lot more. I'm also the kind of person who'll go on Pinterest, try to see what I want to cook, and then tailor the recipe to how I can make it. I think it's really helped me to just, you know, come into the kitchen and not feel overwhelmed. I wasn't always interested in cooking, so it can be overwhelming in the beginning. Will you share more about your wedding? It looked really beautiful. Yeah, sure. I'm open to it. I just want to know what you want to see. So if you are interested in like the actual wedding footage, I would love to share that with you. We had amazing performances and dances. So if that's something that interests you, I will definitely put them up. I even did a dance, my husband did a dance. Something that might be of interest, let me know if you guys want to see it. My prep before the wedding, so what I did for my skin. If you want more tips on that, then let me know, because I know with COVID, it is a little bit more different. So I don't know how applicable that will be for upcoming weddings, but let me know what you guys want to see, and for sure I will share that. What is your favorite book? So my favorite book currently that I'm reading is Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. It's an amazing book if you're already working towards bettering yourself, you know, you're motivated right now. It takes the idea of the things that hold you back and really challenges you to overcome them. That being said, I also use Audible to listen to my books because I'm on the go a lot. I prefer to listen to like self-help and motivational books on Audible. And I also like autobiographies. If you're going to try Audible for anything, I would say listen to Tiffany Haddish's book. I believe it's called The Last Black Unicorn. She shares her life experiences in first person and they are so funny. I mean, the way she narrates the story is just incredible. So I definitely suggest listening to that book. What is your favorite vegetable? I hate this. Okay, this is gonna expose me, but whoever knows knows. My favorite vegetable is potato. I love potatoes in every single form. Give me baked potato, mashed potato, jacked potato, sweet potatoes, potato chips, potato fries, batatanu shak, maruna bhajia, like everything. I freaking love potatoes in every shape and form. I don't eat them that often because I don't know, you know, it is more of a starchy vegetable if you're not cooking it right. So I try to keep those for my cheat meals, and there will be days where I just crave fries, like there's nothing I can do about it. So, you know, whatever, you cave in. How have you not been to Trader Joe's yet? If you don't know what Trader Joe's is, it's more focused on like specialty health foods and organic groceries. I have been to Trader Joe's, but I've been there to buy plants. Does anyone else do that? I find Trader Joe's has like the best like basil and mint, so that's where I buy my plants from. If you have certain foods that you buy from Trader Joe's, let me know in the comment section down below. What should I be picking up? It's down the street from me, so I would love to pay it a visit when I can and see what I can pick up for myself. Who is your favorite Raptor? Growing up, me and my brother were huge Vince Carter fans. Of course, you know, congratulations to his retirement. But I guess I'd have to say Kyle Lowry. I feel like he really changed the dynamic of the group. He was part of the team that got us the ring. You know, I have to give an honorable mention to Kawhi, but oops, Kobe, ouch. He's no longer a Raptor, so I'm not dwelling on that. But yeah, I say Kyle Lowry. How great is Anand? Just judging by this question, you already know who asked it. I already know who asked it. Anand is pretty great. He's fantastic. Really sweet, caring, even though most people don't tell me that. Yeah, I don't really want to say much. He already knows, but yeah, he's pretty great. Yeah. Do you like ladva? So ladva, if you're not familiar with Gujarati sweets, is like a flour ball made out of whatever flour, I don't know guys. A flour ball with like couscous on top. So I really like those on like special occasions. I haven't had one in so long, so if you were to give it to me, I'm pretty sure I would have it. But on a daily basis, I don't like Indian sweets that much. It's too sweet for me. I'm just kind of averse to ghee. I just recently started eating ghee. Before I wasn't really into it. So yeah, do I like it? Yeah, sure. Would I have it every day? Probably not. What type of dog is Kobe? He is so cute. Aw. Here, why don't I try to bring him in the shot? 1 second. Okay, so Kobe is a Cockaleer poo. So that means he's a Cockaleer Spaniel and a Poodle mix. He is just about 6 months old now, so he's gotten a lot bigger. He was so small when we got him. He was only 2 pounds. And he's about maybe 12 now. Kobe. Okay, so for my last question, it's pretty long. Do you miss scaring the group 3 balikas during dance practice, only to have them grow up and reminisce that you were the best choreographer they ever had? Your former group 3 balika. Oh, that's so sweet. Stop, you're gonna make me cry. Do I reminisce? Of course I reminisce. I think the dances we've done and this time we've spent together was so special. You know, every time that we went on stage, we gave it our all, and I feel like it was just such a positive experience for everybody. Even though I'm pretty sure I scared you, I'm so sorry if I did. Like, that being said, I can't say that I regret it. I was always such a huge perfectionist that I can see why I was really strict on you guys, and I'm sorry, but I hope it was all for the best. Yeah, I miss you guys tons. I hope you guys are well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great time getting to know me. This was really fun for me, so if you guys want me to do more Q&As about random things, I don't even care what you guys ask me anything you want. Let me know, give this video a thumbs up if this is something that interests you. I really hope that you guys will take the time to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye, Cobes. In case you guys wanted to meet Kobe. Oh.